2000 Dives Viper, and we are hoping to swap out this tail piece. It's just going to be these two bolts, and that hanger, and this hanger. Awesome. Yes.
Clamps are loose.
I'm gonna go look at this other one here.
I am almost 6 feet tall, but
Gotcha.
can you steer off the dog? You can take turns.
I'm just gonna kind of hold this down like this, and
Yeah,
maybe
that's
hold
what
this.
I was doing, but be careful. More watch shit.
Yep. I mean, those are big moves. You're doing good.
It's off. Is it any load on you?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So if you want to grab.
It's got to come forward, right?
Yeah. Well.
Toward the front of the car.
Yeah, it does, but.
I'm trying to just snake it.
Yep. You're doing it.
Alright. Thread through the hole. You tell me if it needs to go. Never mind. She off.
Just go over here. That's it.
Alright, so this is the stock 2000 Viper exhaust. This is a Snake-Oyl, essentially muffler delete. We got pretty tips to go on it too.
Yeah.
We did buy this used. That's about 6 hours of hand polishing, which sounds like a lot, but that's just a couple of football games and some beer. And
Absolutely. Sweet. I'm just going to leave it like that so it's easy to point that thing into the rubber mounting hole. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's going to help clear it out.
boom. Okay, so I'm far off from, I'm a good quarter inch from the hole. Are you in the hole? Cookies.
Well, that's interesting.
Can you go look in relation to the hole?
Even right now.
Is that?
I mean, it's really close.
What if you take the rubber mallet and hit that bar? I'm gonna hold it good. In? Oh, there it goes. There you go. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Keep going?
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yep, keep going.
Keep going?
Hang on. It's working, however, I still feel like we need something right here.
Sure, get your glasses. You do so. Tell me when.
Go ahead. Yes. Yes.
Alright. Passenger side ready?
Yep. Yeah. That happened. I mean, it's an eighth of an inch every time, and we've got
An inch.
We got an inch and a half left. So. But I see it moving, so it's definitely insane. So what I'm finding is that I'm basically having to pull down a little bit, kind of get the angle right. So
That's what you're saying.
that would be my advice if you're doing this at home. When you take the pipes off, the exhaust wants to come up a little bit, so when you go to put it back on, you have to pull it back down like that. And then I'm just using a wedge to get behind this pipe because otherwise there's no solid thing to hit. It's just the curve of this exhaust pipe. So. Yeah. Right to the end of the edge is how far the pipe could go in, right? So it's like before 2 inches, but over on the other flange, the flange goes this deep, 2 1/4 at least. So this pipe is deeper than it can go into that flange right there. So we'll stop. Well, I would just say if you want to whack on it for adjustment's sake, you could do that, and then let's go ahead and center down.
Wow, it's the same size. Amazing.
Sexy.
It is amazing. It stinks. I don't.
Trying to get it flush and trying to get it lined up right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if it's level. Wow, the lip is really level. Alright. Driver side needs to go up. I don't know if we can do that.
Now that this is level, we can tighten up that middle hanger.
This was only about 50 foot-pounds, so I'm going to do about the same.
Yeah.
Alright, we got a Gen 2 Viper here. The difference between the Gen 2 and the Gen 1 exits on the side, the Gen 2 exits out the back. And what that means is you've got a pre-cat here, and then on the side, in the side sills, you have a big catalytic converter and then a big ass resonator. And then that came out here and looped into what we replaced here, which was this big old muffler. So we just took out this big massive muffler that was still here, but we still on this car have the stock pre-cats, cats, and side resonators.